guys, my name is Tejas Somani. As you know, I upload my videos on the name of Somani. I hope you have seen my last video of making an origami paper plane that goes exactly very far. Today my video is about how to make origami pendrive. So let's start with it. So you just need a piece of paper, as small as this, 7 to 5 centimeter. Take the piece of paper, fold it into half, like this. Open it, you'll get a line over here. Fold it equally in all four sides in a triangle shape like this. Do you understand? Now take this triangle shape and fold it like this from the top end and exactly on the opposite sides from the top end to the down end. So it's like this. Then you take the top corners from here, take this corner and push it down to the area left. Then turn it, do the same at this side. Turn it oppositely. You get a plain place over here. Fold it. It'll look somehow like this. Fold it once more over that. It'll look like this. Then open it. You'll have two lines. Fold the first line like this and then insert. You will have holes over here. You can insert the second part in that hole. Somehow like this, and then insert even the second part somehow like this. If it opens, you just fold it very tightly, and if you want you can stick it with glue, but I will try the way which I told you. After doing the process, it will look somehow like this. So it looks like a mini envelope. Now it's not completed. Okay, we take a bigger piece of paper and look at the size of it. If the size is this much, you need a little more bigger paper as the pen drive has an entrance key. So we mark the point with a pencil and then cut it off with some scissors. Somehow like that. You take the piece and then check the size again. If the size comes this, it's fine enough. Then you take this like this and start rolling it. After rolling, it will become this small. Don't stick this area as we have to also store data in the pen drive. Here. Then take this thing, push it, a hole will be there. And then insert this into the hole. There's no need of glue in this process. If you think the pen drive's front part is too long, you can push it a bit back and tear it from back. Okay, now it looks like a pen drive. After making the pen drive, if you want, you can color it in different patterns. I'll show you how. I made 3 different types of pen drive. One like this, blue colored, and I wrote start in the starting part. Second one, it looks like a miniature pen drive. I made it with a bit small paper. And my third one is a cap pen drive. I made it somehow like this. You can open the cap and take out the pen drive. Now I'll tell you how to read letters and write letters in the data part. this thing, if you have made this color pen drive or any color, just after inserting for writing letters, take it out and you will get a thing like this. Then roll it again and you can write anything over here, as I wrote this about my friend. Then write anything, then roll it back again to its original size. After that, put it inside and your data pen drive is completely ready to work.